Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Programming with Pirai. In this video, we are going to see a Leetcode problem number 2000. Reverse prefix of word. Given a 0 index string word and a character ch. Reverse the segment of word that starts at index 0 and ends at index of first occurrence of ch. If the character ch does not exist in word, do nothing. For example, if word is equal to A, B, C, D, E, F, D and CH is equal to D, then you should reverse the segment that starts at 0 and ends at 3 inclusively. So we have to add that range. The resulting string will be DCBA EFD. Okay. Then return the resulting string. Fine. We want to get the first occurrence of ch and reverse from 0 to the first occurrence of ch, then we want to result the resulting string. Okay, let's do this. See this example. I can explain with this example. A, B, C, D, E, F, D, right? Now this is a string and they also give ch is equal to D. What is the first occurrence of D? This is the first occurrence of D, right? Now I have to reverse this whole string. So I get the output as D. Fine. If take for example, the string is ABC, EF, then CH is equal to D. Then what will your result? Do nothing. Just return ABCD. Fine, ABCEF. Fine. Now, how to approach this problem? First of all, what we are doing while while we are finding the character, we are just reversing. We are just reversing the string, right? Then first we want to know how to reverse a string. How to reverse the string? Just take for example, I have a string A, B, C, D, E. How to reverse the string and make the output as EDCBA? How to reverse? How to reverse? I can take another string T and put E, then D, then C, then B, then A, right? This is the first way to reverse. What is the second way? I can reverse, see here, this A and this E. I can swap. Then this B and this D. And the C with C, it's no use. So I can stop here. I can stop here, right? Then what is the approach? The approach is just take this 2 and swap. Just take this 2 and swap. Then put it as it is. Now we don't create a new string, but in existing string we do this operation. So this is what reversing means. Reversing means. So we know how to reverse the whole string, but still we want to know how to reverse from 0 to some n value or I value maybe. How to do that? Here we are keeping this 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. This 4 is n minus 1. Instead of this, I can take, say, if like this, if I say n is equal to 3, then we want to reverse these values. So to do this, I can take this as my left pointer, this as my right pointer. Then I can swap, then make that left pointer to next, right pointer to next, then swap, right? Now what is the result? D, C, B, A, E, right? So we have found how to reverse a string. Now how to find the first occurrence of a character? Can I go one by one, a simple linear search? See here, A, B, C, D, E, F, D, ch is equal to d. A is matching with d, no. B is matching with d, no. C is matching with d, no. D is matching with d, yes, yes, yes. Then the index may be 0 1 2 3, then the index will be 3, right? Then the index will be 3. Now I know how to reverse a string from 0 to n, now I can do 0 to 3, 0 to 3, right? I can do for 0 to 3, so that I can reverse this ABC like DC BA. Now the result will be DC BA EF D. So this is my result. And the common mistake everyone leaves is they don't do break after finding this matching character. Like, just see here, the code is like range of to n if ch is equal to s of I, then what we have to do, we have to update the index with I. Then we want to break. Why we want to break? Because if there is no break, statement, it obviously goes to this d. And gives the result as 6. Now the output will be what? D F E D C B A. Whether this is true? No. So you should be careful while writing this. This is the common mistake that everybody leaves. This break statement will be missing. Now this is what the approach. Let me show you the code. See here, this is the code. Just I wrote the index is equal to -1, then iterating from 0 to n, then checking whether the word of I is equal to ch. If it's so, then index is updated to I, then break. This break is so much important. I am stressing in this part. Break is so much important. If index is equal to -1, then return word. Because when will be the index is equal to -1? When the word of I is not equal to ch. That is, when the character is not found in the word, then obviously the index will be -1. That time I do nothing and just return word. Else. Here I just returning a string slicing by using Python. See here, word of 0 is to index plus 1. So if the index is 3 plus 1 4, so 0 to 4 is taken now. Then I am reversing it plus the remaining part. If take for example I have A, B, C, D, E, and I have given 0 to C, 0 to 3. Okay, then it obviously takes this and rotate, that is reverse. Then I have to add this E. How can I do this? First of all, I want to take this. How can I take this? S of 0, index is 3 plus 1, then I have to reverse. Fine. Now this is reversed plus S of index plus 1 to everything, to all over the rightmost strings. They should not be reversed. They are just written as it is. Fine. Now this is what I returned. Still if interviewer says you that don't use the slicing, you can convert the string into list. Fine. Let's see here. This is same, and this is also same. This is a different. See here, word is equal to list of word, then for I in range of index plus 1 divided by 2. Why I am dividing by 2? Because many of them do mistake here too. Please use while loop while you are reversing. Okay, the possibility of causing error is very much small, but while you are using for loop, please be conscious. Like if take for example, in for loop we do like, if ABCD I want to reverse DCVA, then what I do usually, for I will swap n minus I minus 1, because for 0 it will be, the length is 4, so it will be 3 for 0. For 1 it will be 2, right? This is what the I and n minus I minus 1 relationship will be, right? But take for example, if I didn't put I is from 0 to n by 2. For example, I put 0 to n. Just for example, I put 0 to n. First, what will the I value and what will be n minus I minus 1 value? Just say here. First I value will be 0. What will be n minus I minus 1? It will be 3. So swap 0 and 3. Swap 0 and 3. So it will be D, C, B, C, A. Right? Now I value is 1. This value will be 2. Now D, C, B, A. Right? Now I value will be 2 and this value will be 1. Again swap. Now 3, this is 0. Again swap. A, B, C, D. The original string is got. The original string will be the output. This is wrong. That's why we stop here. So this will be our output. That's why we stop by n by 2. This float division in Python. Just you write n by 2 in C++ or Java. Okay, it will take us integer. Fine. That's why I have put here index plus 1 divided by 2. Fine. It is not mandatory to put index plus 1 to 1 also, but still you should put. Okay. Now word of I comma word of index minus I is equal to word of index minus I comma word of I. I just swapping those two. Now I am retaining the join of word. Okay, fine. See here, as I told you already, strings are immutable. So if you run this program, just run this program, it causes an error. What error? String object does not support item assignment. So we cannot change the string. Fine. Now let me run this. Fine. That's all, right? So this is the code. Just you should be careful while using this ending condition, and try to dry run this code. And understand with various examples, and you can code it up with yourself, right? Thank you.